Hey guys, it's Marissa and today I have such a fun, exciting video. We're going to be doing a girl talk get ready with me for Valentine's Day. This is the look. It's very like classic Valentine's Day. Simple eyes. This is also a super quick and easy Valentine's Day look. Main thing is a beautiful red lip, as you guys can see, and that just screams Valentine's Day to me. If you guys are new here, my name's Marissa. I do a new video every single Thursday. Make sure you guys are subscribed. The subscribe button is right down below. Make sure you guys click the bell next to it so you can get notified when I upload. Also, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you're following me on other social medias. I'm gonna have my TikTok right here and then my Instagram right here. I'm on those the most, so make sure you guys are following me on there. Also, this look is to get ready to do some photos for Valentine's Day, so make sure you're following my Instagram if you want to see the photos and how they turned out. Also guys, I have been sick. You could probably tell from my voice. Same thing happened to me last year. I lost my voice entirely, like same exact time, so don't mind my voice. It's just now starting to come back, but you could definitely tell my voice doesn't always sound like this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's just get into it. Okay, we're just gonna get right into it. I'm starting out. My face is prepped. That's literally all that's done. Like, I'm doing my makeup backwards because clearly my mirror's right there. I just colored my hair, so you're probably gonna see. And I have my lighting set up. I've noticed that like sometimes it looks too bright, so I'm trying it dimmer, and now I feel like I can't see right. So we're just making it work. Yeah, I kind of stopped filling in my brows. I mean, I clearly obviously still do, but I just fill in like right there, and that's it lately, and I've been liking it way better. But yeah, we're gonna do, this is a girl talk get ready with me. I don't know what we're girl talking about. I guess just Valentine's Day in general. If you have a Valentine, that's great for you. I'm just kidding. Actually, I fucking love Valentine's Day. If you've never tried these, you need to try these. They're like Celsius, and you can only get them at Target, I think, but they're so good. I just tried this flavor, electric tie-dye, and it's the best. And today I'm actually trying a new foundation. Yes, this is just a sample, but we're gonna try it out. But this is the Tarte, I don't know what it's called. I'll insert a picture of it actually, because I have no idea what it's called. I should have looked that up. Their new foundation. It's supposed to be the medium coverage, and I believe a natural finish. But I've been excited to try this. Okay, it's not the worst match. It's a little yellow. Okay, I'm liking her. We'll see when it's done. It's definitely a medium coverage, not full coverage for sure. It feels nice though. It feels very hydrating. But yeah guys, I actually love Valentine's Day for how insanely single I am. I love Valentine's Day. Every year I make it a point to make plans with friends. That has really, I've done that since high school, and it has been so amazing. Like, I have the funnest Valentine's Days when I'm single versus I've only been in 2 relationships. No, yes. I've only been in 2 relationships during Valentine's Day, and they were both fucking hell. And I have way more fun being single on Valentine's Day. I think Valentine's Day, it's just about love. It's not about having a boyfriend or being single or having a girlfriend or whatever. It's literally just about love. I think it is such a great excuse to go spoil yourself. Like, go get yourself flowers, go get yourself chocolates, go get yourself whatever it is that you like. If you want a freaking Gucci purse, go get yourself that. Like, get yourself whatever you want. Honestly, this year I was like, oh, there's no way. Like, all my friends are taken. I'm gonna be alone on Valentine's Day, which I really don't care. Like, I say if you're alone on Valentine's Day, like, who cares? I actually really like this foundation, guys. Like, it looks really nice. I was just gonna get myself flowers and wine and like watch TV or watch a movie and go to bed, but like, it doesn't have to be extravagant. Just, I hate when I see like, oh, I hate Valentine's Day because I'm single, blah, blah, blah. It's like, honestly, I love it because I'm single, clearly. Every time I've dated someone on Valentine's Day, it's been hell. Like, we always have fought over, I don't even know what. I'm actually doing like a dinner with friends now, so that'll be super fun. But I've done that. I've gone to the movies with my friends before. When I was in high school, when I first like started always doing like planning something with friends, like it's easier when you're in high school. Like, the older you get, the more you'll realize that everybody is getting boyfriends and getting in relationships and you're not. But you have like a big group of friends that are single, or you can even plan it for like before or after Valentine's Day. We did like a big gift exchange and all got each other like for real Valentine's Day gifts, and it was so fun and so cute. I literally remember that to this day. I think it was like a sophomore in high school, and it was super fun. Yeah, I think just make the best out of it. I think it's such a cute holiday. Like, you know, the TikTok trend of like romanticize your life. Like, this is The perfect example of how to romanticize your life is I love Valentine's Day because instead of me being like, oh my god, I'm single, I hate Valentine's Day, blah blah blah, instead I'm like, oh, it's the cutest freaking holiday. I love pink and red. I love the cute hearts. I love the cute makeup looks. I love the cute outfits. I love flowers, so I'm gonna buy myself flowers. I like treating myself to wine, so I'm gonna give myself some wine. Like, you know what I mean? Like, just romanticize your own perfect Valentine's Day. Who needs a date? And by doing that, you're going to end up having a great day. Guys, wait, because I really like this foundation. And no offense to Tarte, but they don't really impress me often. But I had to get ready for Valentine's Day. I'm taking Valentine's Day photos. Let's film a video while we do it. What better time to film? Also, guys, I've been sick for like 2 weeks. So today was the first day I went back to the gym. And I just want to say, I've blocked every guy that was in my phone, like, messaging me the past 2 weeks that I've been sick. Because I went to the gym and just remembered who I was. I was like, what the hell am I texting these men for? And I just was like, never mind. Not interested anymore. Does anyone else do that? I go through like phases of, especially when I'm like in my single, like, everybody's been saying they're in their villain era. I'm not in my villain era. I've been in my villain era before. Me and my villain era is like me giving fuckboy energy. That is what I considered my villain era. This is not that. This is my healed, I'm healing my single bitch, I hate men era is what I'm calling it. But like, nobody is interesting me type of vibes. But every once in a while I get bored of it. My camera's gonna die, of course. Every once in a while I get bored of it, and so I start responding to like DMs and stuff. And then I wake up and I'm just like, oh, never mind. What was I doing? Is anybody else like that? Guys, this foundation is everything. It's making my skin look very good. I'm going to be doing a very basic eyeshadow look. I'm using this Mercury and Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. Shout out my friend Ashley. She got me this. But yeah, I'm going to take this color in Momentum. It's the perfect like base color for all over. I'm just taking everything on this one big fluffy blending brush because the main focal point is going to be the red lip. And then in the outer corners, I'm going to take the color right next to it. It's Crash. This is like a, almost like a taupey purple gray, if that makes sense. I'm just putting that on the outer corner just to add a little bit of definition. And then blending that in the crease a little bit. That's it for eyeshadow. Super freaking simple. And then I'm going to take my roller liner and we're going to do a wing liner. Problem is, I can make wings look good, but they can't have the same vibe. Like, neither one of them look necessarily bad, but together they do. Nobody's perfect. Whatever Hannah Montana said. We're gonna do these. These are my Dodo lashes. They're very pretty. They're kind of like more flared out, so it'll go with the wing. They're these. They're Dodo lashes in D309. Okay, first we're gonna do some mascara so they stick. And then, guys, I know I've said this before, but I'm gonna say it again because I live by this. This is the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. If you're not put on to the Lash Glue Liner yet, I'm putting you on right now. Go try it. I don't care what they say. This shit really works, and they stay on all freaking day, all freaking night, and it takes 2 seconds to put my lashes on now. Yeah, we'll do a little bit of mascara first. So I just do it one by one. It's literally the easiest thing ever. And then you literally just stick it on. And that's it. That's literally it. I just blend out any of that powder. I hope the lighting is good, at least on there, because I can't fucking see. Especially though, I'll always over contour, but especially when I know I'm going to be taking photos, I over contour because you want that to show up. The over blush. We love it. Who even needs foundation? Because we put so much freaking contour and blush on, it's like we don't even need it. It's called giving ourselves the cheekbones we don't have. I started blushing everywhere. So I put blush here, put it on the tip of my nose, and then I put it on my forehead and a little bit. I don't do too much on my chin, but I do a little bit. I don't know if I've talked about this in a video yet, but this is my favorite highlight. It's a Jaclyn Hill highlight in Iced. It's amazing. I feel like every highlight I have is huge. And I don't know who is telling these people that make highlights that they need to make them this large. Good enough. Then I set the eyebrows with a little bit of brow gel. One that's colored and one that's clear. I'm going to do the clear one today. Okay, so we're going to start with the KVD. This is hella old. I don't even know if they make this anymore. This is in like nosferatu, or I don't know how you say this. I'm going to have it linked down below. So I have this red lip liner. This is from the brand Col-lab, and this is in Bang Bang. It's a little bit brighter of a red than the color that we're going for, but it's the only red lip liner I have, and a lip liner helps, okay? Just line my outside of my lips and then the little outer corners. That's some contour, and then also it's just so that our other one doesn't smudge. But we're going to do that darker shade around the outer corners. We're just making an outline with that darker shade. Oh, I love that you guys can't see. So yeah, so then I outlined it and then dragged it all the way down. I'm going to use a little bit of a brighter one in the center. And this is by Col-lab as well. And this is in the shade. I'll have it linked below. I think the shade came off. These two layered is my favorite red combination. It's the prettiest. It's like a pretty red, but still has that like fiery tones to it. So pretty. That's the entire look, guys. Like super easy. Nothing crazy. Like I said, the main point is this beautiful red lip. It gives us all the Valentine's Day vibe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys next Thursday. Peace out.